Usual, steady, you know.
Yeah.
So how you been doing?
Good.
Yeah.
I mean, bad, not good.
Yeah, I hear you.
There's no work.
No?
Yeah, it's not too busy here.
What is it you do?
I'm electrician.
Oh shit. Well, I'm sure that's gonna pick up.
Oh yeah. We're waiting for the power to crazy storm. My house.
Yeah. Yeah, it's funny, eh? You're waiting for a disaster to happen so you can make some money.
It's bad, but I mean it's good at the same time.
Yeah, I know. So starting today, now you got to show proof of vaccination.
Yeah. Sucks.
Yeah, well,
Because they have the new
uh-huh, right. Yeah, when are they going to release that though?
Yeah, I believe they already did.
Oh,
You have to get it from online.
oh, I see. Well, the only time I go to a bar is when I'm going to unplug something. Yeah, it's the truth. You know,
That's a good thing.
I used to go when I was younger, you know what I mean? Well, once you get into your 60s, you know, I got better things to do than sit in a bar. Yeah. I can find 101 things to do around the house.
You could have a bar at your house.
Yeah, well, you know, and that's it too, you know what I mean? Like,
Exactly.
you know how much shit you can buy from the liquor store?
Yeah.
You know?
That's what people are doing.
Yeah, but I mean, like, you go for a good night with your friends. What are you gonna spend? $6,000?
Exactly.
You know, that's a lot of liquor, man.
That's a lot.
And you're not even getting close to that. You know what I mean?
Nothing.
For that kind of money, you can pick it up at the liquor store and pick up some hookers. Bring them home and save on hotel bills too. You see, everything's working. Okay, that's it.